We've just acquired this lovely Seat Leon TDI. It's got a lovely high specification on it. It's absolutely lovely condition. Alloy wheels, rear park distance control, boot area is in lovely condition. Seats and interior is in lovely condition. It's got electric windows and mirrors. Done 72,554 miles. It's got satellite navigation, media pack Bluetooth streaming, phone for Bluetooth, air conditioning, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. It's had the cam belt changed on the car, which is important. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.